Hi there, good evening everyone, welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle is Sudoku with 0 stars in not in today's newspaper on Monday, May the 8th, 2023. No, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the Saturday edition. Well, actually this is the Sunday edition. Sunday, May the 7th, yeah. 2023. Alright, I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku, so two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 1 star, and this one, the Sudoku with 0 stars. 0 stars, yes, and this will be number 6404. 0 stars. Because this one has 29 printed digits, so for 29 printed digits I need to be faster than 15 minutes, 15 or 14 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. The 3 in this row, the 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there, 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the last column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 3, okay. Alright. We have a 1 in this row, the 1 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next to the last column. Only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in this row, first row, 1 in the third row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright, and now, which number can I pick? How about the 5 in this row, the 5 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. The 8 in this column, the 8 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. The 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 8's are used, I can see. This is number 3, number 8. Right, 4. And now. 5. Okay. Well, 9. Okay, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9 in this big square. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. So 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between only two places left for the 9 should be here. On there we see a 9 in this column. Last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. One box left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square. One was the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4 cannot fill this yet. Here also 2 and the 4 are missing in this column. How about? Yeah, the 4. Come on, the 4. Need a 4 here. 5. 5. No. 5. No. 5. Yeah. Need a 5 here. 5. Come on. 2. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the second row, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Well, 2. 2. 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. 2 and a 4. Well, yeah, 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see how 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be in there. 4. 6. Need a 6 there. 6, 4, 1, 3. Need a 7 here also. Need a 2 here also. 2. 6. 2. Come on. 7, 6, and 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. And look, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier, the 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this box, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. So that box should be a 4 and this box should be a 2. 1 box left in the last column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2. Well, 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We cannot place the 2 here because we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. We cannot place the 2 there because we have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. On there, we see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Now I can count and all the... No, need a 2 here. Yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Now I can count and all the 2s are used. I can see digital for number 2. Alright. Then how about yeah, I'm thinking we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between only place left for the 6 should be there. 7, need a 9 here, need a 9. 9. Well, 9 and 7 are missing here. and 7 are missing in this big square. Let me mark those. 7 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. That means 1 digit left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. Alright. 7, so 6, 5, and the 9. 6, 5, and 9. 6, 5, and the 9. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Okay. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Well, we have a 4 in the last row. 4 in a row above. So that row, only place left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 7 goes there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 now in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. 5 and a 6. Here also 5 and a 6. Wow. What's happening? What's happening? How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7. Well, still cannot fill this yet. 6 and a 7. 6 and a 7. So, okay. How about these 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5. Well, what's happening? What's happening? 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Alright. Yeah. So here we have a pair, the 4 and the 6 then. Oh. How about this? 5 and a 6. Still cannot fill this yet. 7 and a 4. Okay, 7 and a 5. Here also 2 numbers, 5 and a 6. What's happening? What's happening? So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 6. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 6 will be here or there. Well, need a 6 here. I've filled all the numbers, but 7 and a 5, 6 and a 7, 6, 5, 5 and a 6. What's happening? What's happening? 7, 7, 7, 6. 4 and a 6. 4. 4, 6 and a 5. 4, 6 and a 5. How about the 4? Here can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 6, 6, 6. Wait, here can be 6, so the 6 should be here. This can't be a 6 anymore, because we have here, this box can be a 6. We have a 6 in the fifth, so the 6 should be in one of those two boxes in this row. This box cannot be a 6 anymore, so this box should be a 4 then. That box should be a 6. Alright. So two numbers left here, the 5 and the 6. 5 and 6. Yeah, 5 and the 6. So we have a double 5 here in this row. So this box can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 7 then. Okay. 7 and 4. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes there. Yeah. So here we have also 2 missing numbers. No. 6 and a 7. We already have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 5 and a 6. Oh, 5 or a 6. We have a 5 now in the second. So this box should be a 6. 1 box left in this big square for number 5 then. 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in the last one. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 6 goes and there. 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 6 goes there. 16 minutes. Not faster than 50 minutes. 1 minute more. Well, having troubles here at the end. Oh, 1 number left here. For number 4 then. Alright. 4. Yeah. Anyway, let me give this a 1 star then. Yeah. Not with 0 stars. Anyway. Alright. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a taxonomic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.